Hello, you are welcome to another interesting topic. If you are a poultry farmer and you have found yourself in this particular channel, congratulations. And if God helps you today, you are watching this video, I say double congratulations. Today I have very serious and important topic for you. I want to show you how we treat low egg production in our laying beds. If you're a layers farmer and your layers are not laying well, if you're a layers farmer and your layers are not laying well, you are highly welcome. If you're a broiler farmer and you are getting low broiler weight, you are also welcome. I can tell you in this particular video the conditions that can cause low egg drop, or no egg drop at all, or porous egg shares and low weight broilers. Internal worms can also cause low weight broilers. You carry your broilers, you feed them from day 1 till 6 weeks and they don't grow well. Most times you start calling your friends, please come and help me check this particular birds. Are they noilers, are they cockerels, or actually broilers? This particular video, you get enough knowledge on what causes that and how to take care of all these kind of institutions in poultry farming. You have low weight, your broilers are not growing, stunted growth we call it, or some are growing and they're having leg issues, they cannot walk. This particular video covers all of this. Your broilers feathers are too rough, this sort of whitish color, they turn to pale color or yellow color. This particular video covers you. Or they grow and they don't have weight, they have feather all over. If you count them, it looks as if you are raising cotton wool. The regular video covers you also. This is organic combo, 4-in-1 organic combo that does wonders in poultry farming. One of them here I have here is pawpaw leaf, you can see it, and pawpaw stem. This is handful of pawpaw leaf and handful of pawpaw stem. You can see this one is applied to this. I cut them off. Pawpaw leaf and pawpaw stem. This one. This from pawpaw section. Here you can see I have full handful of aloe vera. You can see the species of aloe vera I have. This one is a thick one. Aloe vera here. That's number 2. I have enough ginger here. Handful of ginger. You can see it. Should I weigh this ginger? Yes. Let me weigh this ginger so that you know the actual weight of this ginger. This is my digital scale here. Let me just weigh this ginger so that we have an actual weight of this particular ginger. That will help us and guide us well, so that you will now know actually what we are using. Here right away I have my digital scale here. I have my digital scale here. You can see the digital scale. You can see it. So now let me weigh the ginger here. The ginger is giving me 200 grams. That's what it's giving me here. It's 200 grams. This is the ginger here. You can see 200 grams of ginger. I have it here. I have large quantity of garlic. I'm going to weigh the garlic also. I have enough garlic here. Garlic and ginger are very expensive in the markets right now. And these are some of the ingredients and raw materials we use for Eco Bio Booster. This our Eco Bio Booster is going to be a bit costly this time around, because 1 kilo of garlic now is about 25,000. Honestly, I don't know your location. Please, if you are from the northern side, it means it could be cheaper for you there. Tell me on the comment section so that you can help me and buy it there at lower price, please. Here we are buying 1 mudu now is 25,000. 1 mudu of this is 15,000 now. It's very costly. So to produce 1 5 liter of EcoBoy booster, you need up to 1 complete mudu of garlic and ginger. Ginger is 15,000 now, garlic is 25,000. You can see 2 of them alone is 40,000 with other grasses and other extract and spices. So this is 200 gram here. This is 200 gram of garlic, 200 gram of ginger. Then let me weigh the aloe vera. Aloe vera should be up to 500 gram because I need more of aloe vera because of the I have 800, so that means it's going to be up to 1 kilo now because already it's going to be up to 1 kilo of aloe vera. I have 1 kilo now, so 1 kilo of aloe vera is enough for 200 gram of ginger, 200 gram of see what I'm doing, right? And when this is what I have here is 1.5 kg. This is 1.5 kg of aloe vera. You can see aloe vera is large here. I have large quantity of aloe vera. You can see it. This is aloe vera. I have large quantity of it, and this is the original species of aloe vera because it has a lot of extract, a lot of juice. This is the thick one. It's not these small ones. It has. You can see. I'm going to produce very superb combo that can take care of both worm, bacteria in poultry. You can even handle greenish poo in your poultry beds. If your poultry is dropping greenish as a result of Newcastle infections, this can clear the greenish poo and at the same time resolve the issue and reposition your poultry beds for faster growth. This is aloe vera here. Strong aloe vera. Already I've shown you 4 different extracts. We're going to work on these 4 extracts to produce organic combo that will take care of internal worms, external worms, bacteria, fungal infections. What you do is just to chop them into pieces, as I'm doing here right away. Right away, chop them into smaller pieces like this. Most of my fans say they want to be seeing all the practicals. That's why I'm showing all this. Ordinarily, I used to cut off this area, tell you the medicinal value alone. Aloe vera, you know that it has strong antibacterial properties, it has antiviral properties, it has immune boosting properties, it has a lot of vitamins and minerals that help to boost the health of your poultry and livestock animals, can treat diarrhea, watery diarrhea, greenish diarrhea, make color diarrhea, can treat low egg drop syndrome in laying birds. This is pawpaw is good for deworming. You can see this organic combo. They all of them are going to join together to form one formidable combo. Now you slice the aloe vera in pieces, small unit. Aloe vera should be sliced. Laterally, you grind them. If you want to use grinding machine, you grind them. If you don't want to use grinding machine, you can use mortar and pound them. But if you want to pound them, please start pounding ginger and garlic first before you add aloe vera and pawpaw leaf. Those ones comes last. You pound them. Add for this one. You add 2 liters of water first to extract the juice. Then you can preserve this if you don't have large number of birds. See what I use here now is almost 2 kg of aloe vera. 2 kg of aloe vera, 200 gram of garlic, 200 gram of ginger, and 200 gram of pawpaw leaves. That's exactly what I use here now. Aloe vera is also costly. If you don't have it in your home, if you are buying this from the market, it's very expensive. So every poultry farmer needs to plant this. If you're a poultry farmer, please try and plant this around your home. Because one stem of aloe vera here now is about one stem like this is about 200 naira. One stem of aloe vera is about 200 or more, depending on your location. Please, if you have ginger in large quantity in your area, let me know on the comment section also. If you have ginger and garlic in your area, if you have them at cheaper rate, not in large quantity, I mean at the cheaper rate, let me know how much ginger and garlic is sold per mudu. If you are measuring by mudu, let me know. A mudu here is 25,000 garlic. A mudu of ginger here is 15,000. Remember, garlic and ginger, neem, scent leaf, bitter leaf, and many others over 500 are made up of our Eco Bio Booster, and they are industrially processed within 8 weeks to give you that formidable Eco Bio Booster that the whole world is talking about now. It has gone almost all African countries. We have sent to almost all African countries because of the high cost of ginger and the garlic. Right away, the batch 2 that is coming out will be a bit costlier than the batch 1, please. The first batch was sold 50k, but this one, if it is 60k, we should thank God, but it will be more than that. So before you spend money for your away bill, you are spending almost 70k to get it. It's worth it because it's something you can use for years. Please, this particular combo should be used within 2 days. If you want to exceed it 2 days, ask me on the comment section. I will tell you what to do for you to exceed 2 days. This stem here has a lot per pen. It has per pen 1 alkaline, 1 strong chemicals that help to fight parasites. That's why we're adding this. We're going to pound it. When we pound it, you will not notice it again. You can see we have done with slicing now. Next thing is to go and pound it. If you have blender, use your blender. If you don't want to use blender, you can use mortar and pestle and pound it properly. Then extract the juice. We are going to that next stage. This is aloe vera, very strong antibacterial and antiviral plant. More mixed combos are coming. Please make sure you subscribe to both our channels, both the Poultry Side TV, all our channels. Subscribe, because here we don't treat anything except poultry and livestock, organic and synthetic. Anyhow you run your poultry to make profit. Poultry business is what we are treating in these channels. Subscribe, you can see it. This is organic combo. You can see them here. See the ginger here. See the aloe vera here. You can see them. You are seeing them right away. We are going to pound all this now. If you have grinding machine, you can use grinding machine. If you have blender, big blender, because this is large volume. This can take care of 1,000 bears, as you are seeing it here. Can take care of 1,000 bears. You can see they are large in number. This is very large combo. But if you can't finish, if you have lesser bears, you need to preserve it for some time. And if you want to preserve it, let me know in the comment section. I will tell you how to preserve it. Please, whenever you are dropping your question, drop your question on the comment section and elaborate your question. Let me understand. Don't just ask questions that will need me to ask you another question, because you may not have the opportunity of getting the answer immediately. So ask your question completely. Make your question elaborate so that one can understand your question. Not how do I use it? How do I use what? I don't understand. How do I use it? How do I use what? You have to explain. How do I use what you want to? Mention them, please. Always mention them so that I'll get your answer correctly for you. So now, this is the combo. You can see them here. See the garlic. See them. Everything is complete here. Let's get there. Let's go and grind it now. You can see right away you have garlic and ginger. They are already. So this is the first one you first grind first. Grind it separately. Garlic and ginger first, please. If you have a very big grinding machine or a blender, you can put all of them, join all of them together. But here I'm using pestle and mortar. So I first pound this first, grind this first. can see it. This is garlic and ginger first. You can see we are still on the garlic and ginger to make sure we get it properly pounded so that extracting the juice will be easier and simple. After this, the next thing you pound together with this is the stem of the pawpaw leaf. After getting the ginger and garlic done, the next thing is the pawpaw stem and leaf. Please pound them very well. The pawpaw stem and leaf will take good care of worms in poultry and livestock. That's the essence of adding them to this particular combo, so that it will take care of worms and other digestive tract infections. So let's pound this before we now put aloe vera. Aloe vera should be the last because of the juice. Once you put the aloe vera, the juice will not allow you to pound this very well. So let's pound this first, then before we add the aloe vera. This is the pawpaw stem and leaf. You can see the aloe vera, the bowls have entered. You can see the aloe vera here now. This is the main cocoa. The aloe vera have entered. So it's now to pound it. If you have blender, use blender. Blender is faster. Now, this is the main cocoa. This is the aloe vera. You can see it has a lot of juice. We're going to add extra water to squeeze out this juice. Get the water out. Use the water. If you want to preserve it, but you have large number of birds, please, this is for large number of birds. For layers, broilers, turkey, geese, guinea fowl, four-legged animals, goat, sheep, cow, rabbit, and others. You can't finish them for one day. Ask me in the comment section how to preserve this. What you're going to do to preserve it for at least up to 1 week. I will tell you what to do so that you can preserve it if you have large quantity like this. Our Eco Booster is still available. The by 2 is loading now. It's on the process. If you're interested, send message on the comment section. All your messages, questions should only come on the comment section. Don't send any message to my phone line, please. Don't chat me on any other platform except on the comment section of this particular video. This combo can be used right from day old. Even if your chickens arrive, you can dilute it with 1 liter of water and serve to your birds. Depending on the number of birds, each drinker 1 liter, each drinker 1 liter. Serve them till maturity, from day 0 till maturity. We watch the video till the end. Don't skip the video so that you will not come back and ask me what is the dosage. Can layers take this? Layers can take this. Every poultry, every bird, even if you want to use it for flies, for hawk, for pigeon, you can use it. This has strong medicinal value even for humans also. This is a very strong combo, organic combo, that keeps your poultry birds healthy so that you can get this kind of weight, this kind of broiler weight we are getting in our farm here, and the number of eggs. All our eggs, chickens are laying quality and big size jumbo eggs on daily basis. We have heavyweight broilers here. Heavyweight broilers we get here. You can see. On daily basis.
Number 1 is make sure you buy your chicken from a reputable hatchery. 2, get best broiler breeds. 3, get fast growing breed of broiler and healthy chicks. 4, let there be good and adequate biosecurity. 5, give them quality feed.